na. The next fight is gonna be Danny Nietes. Tuloy na ba yan? Jason.
Yes.
Wants to fight News Asia. We are here with Aston Palikte and his manager Jason Sung. Aston, kamusta na?
Okay lang.
Pinubus mo yung kalaban mo in 2 rounds. Ano pakiramdam mo dyan?
Siyempre masaya kasi yung sacrifice namin sa training, nagbunga eh. So, kaya tiwala ko sa sarili ko na manalo ako dahil sa training namin.
Anong mga advice ni Coach Rodel at saka ni Coach Ting sa'yo?
Yun lang, yung kung ano yung kulang ko, ano yung kailangan namin gawin, saka yung sa training, lahat ng sinasabi nila ginawa ko naman.
May gusto mong sabihin sa mga fans mo sa Philippines and the whole entire world?
Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin, sa akin, sa pamilya ni Sir Jason, yung manager ko, maraming salamat sa lahat. Sa lahat ng Pilipino na sumusuporta at nagtitiwala sa amin.
Eto na, the next fight is gonna be Danny Nietes. Tuloy na ba yan? Jason.
Yes.
Ipipirman ba natin yan?
Ano na?
Ipipirman ba natin yan?
Ano?
It's gonna be, are you gonna sign it?
Whatever we're going for the belt. He's the champion.
Okay.
This fight was an eliminator, so the winner of this would have gone against him. So it's not up to me. It was before this fight is already set. So
Set up.
yeah. We're excited. We're excited. We feel like I believe the fans deserve to see another rematch.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
It was a close fight. So this time, iibay mo ba yung
Yep.
pagpasok mo?
Yeah, we have a lot to improve on.
2 rounds na kalaban. The last fight
Close fight this day. Aston Palikte. Thanks bro.
The last fight to me.
Thanks Jason.
Fight News Asia.